The Toyota Crown is a sedan with a raised seating position, effectively replacing the full-size Avalon. Rivals include the Subaru Legacy and even the Volvo V90. The Crown pairs a fastback body with crossover cues to deliver some interesting lines. Inside, the dashboard is smartly laid out. The Crown taps a hybrid powertrain with 236 horsepower, continuously variable transmission, and all-wheel drive. Buyers looking for more gumption can option a more powerful hybrid powertrain with 340 horsepower and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The EPA pegs the Crown at over 40 miles per gallon on the highway. On the road, Crown buyers will experience either good fuel economy or good power with decent fuel economy. The base hybrid system offers decent pep, but a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint of 8 seconds isn't quick. The more powerful powertrain option is downright quick and swaps a continuously variable transmission for a 6-speed automatic transmission, which is an upgrade in itself. The Crown doesn't excel for interior space or materials. 5 will fit comfortably, but the roofline and seating position compromises headroom. All Crowns come with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, active lane control, and blind spot monitors. The Crown costs over $40,000 and features a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, 12.3-inch touchscreen, and wireless smartphone charging. Top spec models feature adaptive dampers, 21-inch wheels, and surround view camera system.